Ever wondered what happens when Lamborghini takes luxury and injects it into a full-blown motorhome? The 2025 Lamborghini Motorhome Camper Truck is here to turn that dream into reality, blending high-performance engineering with ultra-premium comfort. This isn't just a camper, it's a supercar-inspired luxury villa on wheels, and today on Ride Review, we're diving into what makes it a game-changer. First off, the design. Lamborghini has taken the aggressive styling of its supercars and adapted it into a bold, aerodynamic motorhome. The front end features the sharp angles and Y-shaped headlights you'd expect from a Huracan. While the sculpted bodywork isn't just for show, it's designed for maximum aerodynamics, improving fuel efficiency despite its size. Carbon fiber accents, large air intakes, and an adaptive spoiler give this camper an unmistakably Lamborghini. And of course, those signature scissor doors on the driver's cabin make an appearance, because why wouldn't they? Under the hood, well, more like under the body, this beast packs a twin-turbo V8, delivering an estimated 750 horsepower. That's right, a motorhome with the power of a supercar. Lamborghini's all-wheel drive system ensures stability on all terrains, while active suspension adjusts automatically for road conditions, making long drives smoother than ever. Despite its size, rear-wheel steering enhances maneuverability, meaning it's surprisingly easy to handle in tight spaces. And if you thought off-road capability was out of the question, think again. This camper is equipped with adaptive terrain modes, so whether you're cruising highways or venturing onto rugged trails, it's built to handle it. Step inside and it's a whole different level of luxury. The interior is wrapped in Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leather, with customizable ambient lighting that sets the mood. The cockpit is futuristic, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster and a heads-up display with real-time performance data. The main living area offers reclining massage seats, a high-end sound system, and a 4K entertainment setup. But the real highlight? A fully automated smart home system. Climate control, lighting, and security can all be adjusted through voice commands or a mobile app. The kitchen is just as impressive, equipped with high-end appliances including an induction cooktop, espresso machine, and even a built-in wine chiller. The bedroom features a king-sized bed with memory foam, and the bathroom includes a rainfall shower. Because why should a Lamborghini motorhome have anything less? Plus, the rooftop deck, complete with solar panels and an automatic sunshade, lets you enjoy the outdoors in ultimate style. All of this luxury and performance comes at a price. Expect to spend around $2,500,000 for the full package. It's not just a camper, it's a statement. And before you go, here's something to look forward to. Tomorrow, we'll be talking about a car feature that can turn any vehicle into a high-tech command center. Stay tuned for that, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Ride Review for more.